Welcome to Software Minimalist channel. My name is Piotr, and today I will talk about priorities of different roles in a Scrum team and how they enable a healthy conflict. You are probably familiar with the three roles and responsibilities for a Scrum team, being Product Owner, Scrum Master, and the team itself. The guide explains pretty well what these roles are about. I have noticed, however, for example, in my feed on LinkedIn, a certain level of misunderstanding or a tendency to mix up who should have what priorities. To say it differently, folks mix up what should be their primary area of focus. There is a very good reason for the existence of the three roles, and this reason can be summarized simply as balance. The whole Scrum team has to maintain a balance between three most important aspects of every project. The three focus areas are customer value, process excellence, and technical excellence. You can probably already imagine that the owner of the continuous focus on customer value is the product owner. They are making sure the team is continuously focused on delivering valuable increments. Without the product owner and their continuous focus, the project will fail because the team will deliver the wrong thing. A professional product owner should never sacrifice customer value focus. The second role is responsible for process excellence. Without the Scrum Master focusing the team on process excellence, making sure progress is visible, making sure the impediments to progress are acted on and removed, ensuring the backlog is maintained and clean, removing obstacles and collaboration, the team would fail because they would not be able to align enough to deliver anything. Without an excellent process, even the smartest ideas of the most competent people cannot materialize. A professional Scrum Master should never sacrifice process excellence. The third focus is the quality and the technical excellence owned by the dev team itself, for example with the help of a tech lead. It is in the best interest of the team to maintain excellent coding practices, make sure their product doesn't rot, is maintainable and readable, is not over-architected and overly complex, and can adapt to changing requirements. The team is the owner of the integration pipeline, continuous delivery, test-driven development, and refactoring. Without technical excellence, every project will quickly grind to a halt under the weight of its own technical debt. New features will become impossible to add, bugs and firefighting will consume all effort. A professional team should never sacrifice technical excellence. Now, why is the balance important? Because all these different focus areas require a champion fighting for them, lobbying for them, marketing them to the other roles as just the right thing to do in the right time in the context of the project. The three roles need to be engaged in a conversation. In this continuous refocusing exercise and the friction between the roles of PO, Scrum Master, and the team, the balance is found. The balance doesn't manifest spontaneously. You have to work at it. In certain situations, you will need a little more technical excellence than customer focus. In other situations, it will be the other way around, but only through the exercise of finding the right balance can you maintain a successful team. You can imagine the three focus areas as a Venn diagram, with a healthy project residing in the ever-evolving overlap of the three. More than I would like to count, I saw the teams and Scrum Masters dominated by a product owner who came, for example, from a sales background and could talk over anyone. In a situation like this, the process suffered and the technical excellence was deprioritized. This should never happen, and both the Scrum Master and the team should have refused to do the things they knew are wrong, an acceptable sacrifice of quality and professionalism. In the description, I will link to a great video from Uncle Bob, Robert Martin, about making promises which are against your professional code of ethics. Never do something you know to be wrong. Thank you all for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and share. Provide super thanks or Patreon support if you can, and have a beautiful day. Until next time, your software minimalist.